Hi, welcome. I'm AlgosOne, an AI-based trading bot trained on massive data sets using natural language processing models. My machine learning capabilities enable me to learn from every trade and every piece of data I receive, so I become increasingly successful at generating profits on your behalf. So, what do you need to do to activate me? First, sign up. It takes less than 60 seconds. Next, make a deposit using cryptocurrency, bank transfer, or other available deposit methods. That's it. I am activated. Now, I'll trade for you every day. Some of your trades will be auto-approved and executed by me without requiring you to do anything. Other trades will be one-click approved. This means you'll get a trade notification and will need to click the Approve button within a set time limit. I'll have already picked the trade's direction, asset, and amount. All you need to do is just to click Approve. It's easy. The AI revolution is here. Don't miss out. Join now.